Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Footprints Without Feet. In our previous session, we came to know that two boys, they were surprised to see the footprints because they could not see the person who was making those footprints, but they could see only footprints. And they started to follow that until those footprints became fainter and fainter, and at last those footprints disappeared. Actually, those footprints were made by the scientist. His name is Griffin. He discovered how to make himself invisible. He invented a rare kind of drug and he swallowed that drug. After that, he became invisible. And Griffin was a lawless person. Actually, his owner, landlord, he ejected him. He forced him to leave the house. So, in order to take revenge on him, he set fire to his owner's house. And after that, he became what? He was wanderer without home, clothes, and without money. And during that time only, he stepped on the mud, and after that, wherever he walked, his imprints, footprints visible. And those boys, they followed those imprints. Now, let's continue the lesson. He escaped easily enough from the boys who followed his footprints in London. But his adventures were by no means over. He had chosen a bad time of the year to wander about London without clothes. It was midwinter, the air was bitterly cold, and he could not do without clothes. Instead of walking about the streets, he decided to slip into a big London store for warmth. See here, he escaped easily enough from the boys who followed his footprints in London. He was able to escape from those boys when they started to follow him, but his adventures were no by means over. But there only is adventures. Adventures mean risky job or risky actions. They are only not stopped. He had chosen bad time of the year to wander about London without clothes. Actually, he had chosen very bad time of the year to wander about London without clothes. Why it was bad time? See here. It was midwinter because it was midwinter time, extreme cold. The air was bitterly cold. Air was bitterly means extremely or very cold. And he could not do without clothes. It was highly difficult for him to face the situation or to wander in the city without clothes. Instead of walking about a streets, he decided to slip into a big London store for warmth. So he decided instead of walking about the streets, it is better he has to slip into a big London store. Slip into means enter in a secret manner. So he decided to slip into a big London store for warmth. In order to make his body warm, he decided to slip into a big London store. Closing time arrived, and as soon as the doors were shut, Griffin was able to give himself a pleasure of clothing and feeding himself without regard to expense. Yes, closing time arrived. He entered the big shop, London shop, and after that the shop closing time arrived, and Griffin was able to give himself pleasure of clothing then when the shop closed, he got chance to wear the cloth, okay, which is needed for him, which was helpful for him to save his body from the cold, and feeding himself without regard to expense. And he was able to feed himself also. He was able to eat sufficient food without regard to expense, and he need not to worry about expense. He need not to pay amount for them because he was there in the invisible form. He broke open boxes and wrappers and fitted himself out with warm clothes. He broke open the boxes and wrappers of the cloth and fitted himself out with warm clothes. He fitted himself. He wore suitable clothes, warm clothes for him. Soon, with shoes and overcoat. After that, he wore shoes and overcoat also, and wide brimmed hat, and also he wore a hat. He became a fully dressed and a visible person. Now he became what? Fully dressed and visible person. Visible person means above the neck part no one could see that one, but hat could be seen, dress it could be seen, like that he became what? Visible person. In the kitchen of restaurant he found cold meat and coffee, and after that in the kitchen of the restaurant he found cold meat and coffee in order to feed himself. He followed up the meal with sweets and wine taken from grocery store, and also he had meal with sweets and wine which he had taken from grocery store. Finally, he settled down to sleep on a pile of quilts, and at last he decided to sleep on pile of quilts. Quilts means bed covering. There was pile of bed covering and he decided to sleep on that. If only Griffin had managed to wake up in good time all might have been well. As it was, he did not wake up until the assistants were already arriving next morning. Yes, sir. Suppose the next day, if he had managed to wake up early in the morning, and if he had removed his clothes, probably no one could see him. Okay, he might have been well. There wouldn't have been any problem for him. As it was, he did not wake up until the assistants were already arriving the next morning. But next morning, he did not wake up until the assistants who were working in that shop were already arriving the next morning. When he saw a couple of them approaching, he panicked and began to run. When he saw a couple of them were approaching, they were coming near to him, he panicked. He became panicked. Panicked means overwhelming fear. He frightened and began to run. Then he started to run away from that place. They naturally gave chase. Then those assistants, they also followed him, or they started to chase him in order to catch him. In the end, he was able to escape only by quickly taking off his newly found clothes. So at last, in order to escape from those assistants, he had to remove his clothes. He had to remove his newly found clothes. Okay. Then again he became invisible and those assistants could not see him. So once more he found himself invisible but naked in the chill January air. So once again He found himself invisible. He became invisible but naked. He was there without cloth. And the chill January, in the chill January air. It was chill, very cold January air. So it was again he was facing the same situation. He became what? Homeless, dressless, wanderer. Okay, he was without clothes and without money. That was the same situation. Earlier also he had the same situation. Once again he had to face the same situation. Next, what had happened? Let us see in the next session. Thank you for watching.